You're in the mix, in the mix, in the mix.
Hey there, folks. Welcome to an exciting journey into the future of finance. Let's talk about money, specifically, the future of money, Bitcoin. This isn't just another trend, it's a revolution in how we think about and use currency. You might have heard about it, this digital gold rush everyone's going crazy for, but what exactly is Bitcoin and why is it so important? Well, 2025 is shaping up to be a huge year for Bitcoin, with predictions of unprecedented growth and adoption. And trust me, you don't want to miss out. Imagine being part of something that could redefine the financial landscape. Think of Bitcoin like the internet back in the 90s. It was a groundbreaking technology that many didn't understand at first. Back then, people didn't really get it. They were skeptical, thinking it was just a passing fad. They thought it was just for nerds, a fad. But those who saw its potential and invested early reaped massive rewards. But look at it now. The internet changed everything from how we communicate to how we do business. And Bitcoin is poised to do the same with money. It's not just a digital currency, it's a new way of thinking about financial freedom. This isn't just about getting rich quick, though that's certainly possible. It's about being part of a financial revolution. It's about taking control of your financial future. With Bitcoin, you have the power to manage your wealth independently. Traditional money is controlled by governments and banks. They decide the value and flow of currency. Bitcoin puts the power back in your hands. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of Bitcoin. Get ready to explore how this digital currency can transform your financial future. Let's talk track record, folks. Bitcoin has been around for a while now, and its growth has been nothing short of explosive. Remember when Bitcoin was worth just a few bucks? Yeah, those days are long gone. We've seen Bitcoin climb to dizzying heights, breaking records and turning ordinary people into millionaires. Sure, there have been bumps along the way, but that's with any investment. The important thing is Bitcoin always bounces back, stronger than ever. This consistent growth isn't a fluke. It's driven by real factors. More people are using Bitcoin, more businesses are accepting it, and the world is waking up to its potential. This train is moving fast, folks, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. So why is 2025 the year for Bitcoin? What makes this year stand out in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency? Well, a few things are happening that could change the game entirely. First, remember those bumps in the road I mentioned? The volatility that has scared off many investors in the past? Bitcoin goes through cycles and experts are predicting a big upswing in 2025. This isn't just speculation, it's based on historical data and market trends. We're talking potential new all-time highs, the kind of growth that makes headlines and turns heads. Imagine the possibilities when Bitcoin reaches new peaks. Second, more and more big players are getting involved. This isn't just about individual investors anymore. Major companies, even governments, are starting to take Bitcoin seriously. They're integrating it into their financial systems and considering it as a legitimate asset. This mainstream adoption is like rocket fuel for the Bitcoin price. The more it's accepted, the higher its value could go. The writing's on the wall, folks. Everywhere you look, there's evidence that Bitcoin is becoming a major player in the financial world. 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for Bitcoin. The trends, the data, and the growing acceptance all point to a significant shift. It's the year it goes from being an interesting experiment to a global financial force. A force that could redefine how we think about money and transactions. Are you going to be a spectator, or are you going to be part of the revolution? The choice is yours, but the opportunity is now. Section 4. Bitcoin Harvest. Reaping what you sow. Think of investing in Bitcoin like planting a seed. Just as a farmer carefully selects the best seeds to plant, you must choose your investments wisely. You put some money in the ground today, nurture it, and watch it grow. This nurturing process involves staying informed, making strategic decisions, and sometimes even weathering storms. In 2025, it's harvest time, baby. This is the moment when all your patience and hard work pay off. This is when you get to reap the rewards of your smart investment. The fruits of your labor are finally within reach, and it feels incredibly satisfying. This is your chance to achieve true financial freedom. Imagine no longer being tied down by financial constraints, having the freedom to make choices that truly matter to you. Imagine paying off your debts, buying your dream home, traveling the world. These are not just dreams, but achievable goals with the right investment strategy. These dreams can become a reality with Bitcoin. The potential is immense, but it requires foresight and commitment. But here's the catch. You gotta plant those seeds now. The earlier you start, the better your chances of seeing significant growth. The earlier you get in, the more you stand to gain. Early investment can lead to exponential growth, giving you a head start on your financial journey. The Bitcoin harvest of 2025 isn't a guarantee, it's an opportunity. Like any investment, it comes with risks, but also with the potential for great rewards. And like any good farmer will tell you, you gotta seize an opportunity when you see one. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Take action and plant those seeds today. Section 5. Don't miss out, secure your financial future. So what are you waiting for? The future of money is here, and it's called Bitcoin. 2025 is just around the corner and the time to act is now. Don't be the person kicking themselves in a few years saying, I should have bought Bitcoin when it was cheaper. Getting started is easier than you think. There are tons of resources available online, and plenty of platforms make buying and selling Bitcoin a breeze. Do your research, start small, and watch your investment grow. This is your chance to be a part of something big, something that could change the world. So jump on board the Bitcoin train and get ready for the ride of your life.